Dynamic weighing is also called weigh on the way, which is an option of weighing the piece on the way. As the piece reaches the dynamic scale, it will get priced and weighed at different times. When there are multiple pieces on the machine, it will get to the scale and, depending on the size and the weight of that piece, it will get the price and its calculation. To enable dynamic weighing in S.M.A.R.T, navigate to the mailing section of S.M.A.R.T. Access the scale options. In the Weighing Mode tab, look to the right side of the screen to find the dynamic weighing options. Dynamic weighing is only available on the iX7 and iX9 systems. It is not supported on lower systems. When using dynamic weighing, the WP scale is not utilized. Select Dynamic Weighing to activate this feature. Click OK to confirm. Once you press OK, the scale will be set for dynamic as shown on the screen. Press Start to begin processing mail. As the mail pieces reach the scale in the middle, it will get the weight, price, and it goes on its way to the next mail piece.